In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage notifications from media players in Chrome so you can stop annoying pop-ups from sites like YouTube, Spotify, and other music or video websites while still keeping the notifications you actually want. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Chrome tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is where all of the notification controls are built in, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute to clean things up. Now, in the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu. From here, click Settings. That takes you into the Chrome settings page, where you can manage everything from search engines to privacy, security, and website permissions. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles your browsing activity and website access. After that, click Site Settings. Site Settings is the area where Chrome lets you control what websites can do, including things like camera access, microphone access, pop-ups, and notifications. Once you're inside Site Settings, scroll down and click Notifications. This is the key section for managing alerts from websites and media players. Here, Chrome shows the websites that are allowed to send notifications, as well as websites that are blocked. Under the section labeled Allowed to Send Notifications, you'll see websites such as YouTube, Spotify, streaming platforms, and other media-related sites that may be sending alerts to your browser. If a site is sending too many notifications or you no longer want updates from it, this is where you can control that. To block a website, click the three dots next to its name. Then choose Block. If you want to completely remove it from the list, choose Remove. Blocking will stop future notifications from that site, while removing it clears it from your allowed list so it no longer has permission to notify you. This is especially useful if you're getting constant media alerts, autoplay-related notifications, or website messages that clutter your screen. By cleaning up this list, you can make Chrome much quieter and more focused. At the same time, make sure you leave trusted websites allowed. If there are a few media sites you still want notifications from, such as a favorite music platform or a service you use every day, you can keep those enabled. That way, you stay in control and only receive the alerts that matter to you. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage notifications from media players in Chrome by opening the notification settings, reviewing allowed websites, and blocking or removing the ones you don't want. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce browser distractions and take back control of your Chrome notifications. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.